My name is Lee Carlin of Grundfos Manufacturing and welcome to Grundfos. Grundfos Manufacturing here in Sunderland is split up into a production company but also a distribution company that primarily supports the UK and Ireland. We manufacture a range of products from small domestic circulators right the way through to large commercial and industrial products for larger applications that go into some big iconic buildings that we have, certainly here in the UK, for example the Shard of Glass, Heron Towers, and we've also manufactured a range of product that went in to support the Olympics back in 2012. Grundfos globally manufactures in excess of 16 million pumps. It also means that our largest product offering, the domestic circulator, covers around about 50% of the world's applications. Grundfos is known certainly within the UK but also from a global perspective as being a premium brand. Grundfos is an organisation that takes on board its own responsibilities. Our strapline Be, Think, Innovate represents everything that we do. Being responsible, thinking ahead, and innovation is at the heart of everything that we do. I think one of the things that makes Grundfos unique is the fact that we have 6 core values that we principally run our business by. And when we establish our business and when we move into new areas of business, we always cross-reference that against the values that we hold very dear to ourselves. We also have a very dedicated purpose about what we want to do and how we want to achieve that and what difference we want to make in the world. That's why sustainability to us is a core part of our business. Sustainability not only from a green perspective in terms of the environment, but sustainability in terms of the people that work for ourselves, but also we want to invest in young talent. We want to develop those people so that they're going to be with the organisation and they can drive the business forwards. Here at Grundfos Sunderland, we're also very proud to have a number of employees that have a high longevity with the organisation. We have people here that have worked for the organisation for 20, 25, even 30 years that have stayed loyal to the organisation. And I fundamentally believe that one of the reasons for that is that we invest in people, we invest in the business, and we invest in the long-term perspective of Grundfos Manufacturing. Employees here in Grundfos Manufacturing would describe working here as refreshing, challenging, hard-working sometimes, but ultimately rewarding. Rewarding individually, personally, in terms of their own development, but also rewarding to see the company advance. We also have a sports and social club here where we proactively encourage people to get involved in the sports and social, to do things outside of work. And we also are quite unique in terms that we have a Grundfos Olympics. The Grundfos Olympics runs every 4 years, and that's where we encourage people from all around the world to partake and participate in sports in the head office over in Bjerringbro in Denmark. Here at Grundfos Manufacturing in Sunderland, we have a range of accreditations, not only looking at the processes, so we have a full range of ISO accreditations, but also at people. People development is core to us. It's one of our key values of being focused on people, and that's why we have many accreditations, primarily the IIP accreditation. The future challenges for Grundfos Manufacturing can be broken into 2 streams. The first one is around maintaining and holding our existing product range to see us go forward into the future, and we're doing that very well at the moment. The second one is around the development of what we call engineered to order, or the build off-site model. And this is where we have the larger products and the commercial applications which go off-site. So we've set ourselves up here to be able to design, build and distribute bespoke, commercial, engineered to order systems and solutions that go into some of the most iconic buildings that you see rising up over the UK skyline.